This is practically unbelievable. You know what you're seeing here? This is a rocket. You know, sometimes when you look up to the sky, when a rocket is launched, you see a very tiny thing moving, very fast up there in the sky. This is SpaceX, Elon Musk SpaceX, one of the biggest, most powerful rocket ever built. In fact, it is what we call the Starship Flight Test 8, which was scheduled by SpaceX to be launched, I think, 2 or 3 days ago. Man, this is unbelievable. And as you can see, this rocket is being transported down to the star base in preparation for the launch. Man, this is once in a lifetime experience. I had always wondered whether people are actually allowed to see this, to watch this from the roadside. This is unbelievable. You will never believe that a rocket is as big as it is now before being launched, up there into the sky. And don't forget, just as a background information, that Elon Musk SpaceX, offers launch services, transportation services and launch services. That is to say that they offer, services for constellation of, satellites in the lower Earth orbit. And also, don't forget that Elon Musk has promised the world that he will soon take the world on a mission to the Mars. This is unbelievable.